Hi there folks, and welcome to this YouTube short brought to you by Michael's Backyard Marina. It's time to change the oil on my Hustler Fastrak with the Kawasaki engine. Place the appropriate size container right underneath the drain spout. On this particular model, there's a screw with a drain hose, and it takes a 10mm wrench, and you back this screw off until the oil starts to drain. I find this easiest to access from the bottom of the mower. As you can see, the oil is clearly draining. We'll let that drain till it stops, and then we'll shut it back off. Next, with my expanding oil filter wrench, I'll take the oil filter off. Open up your Kawasaki oil filter, place some oil on this surface. Put a little bit of oil on your fingertip, rub it around, you're ready to install. Always make sure your seal ring is on your old oil filter. Don't double stack your oil rings by accident. Once it's done draining, retighten your drain plug. In this particular Kawasaki FR691V, I am using Opti oil right here. It's 10W40. Get yourself a clean funnel and start pouring it in until full. Once full with oil, replace your dipstick. Start your engine. After you've ran it for a minute and let it sit for about 10 minutes or less, 5 to 10 minutes, pull your dipstick back out. Let's check it for full. And that, folks, is how quick and easy it is to service the oil on your Hustler Fastrak.